real estate signs sitting in your neighborhood longer than before? Are you seeing more agents cry on social media about the state of the market? Well, guess what? Homes are sitting on the market longer than they have been. So both of those statements are true, and I don't think they're going to change anytime soon. But let's take a deep dive into the market. Hey, I'm Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and my team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Emerald Coast from Pensacola all the way through Panama City. It's time that we take a deep dive into the latest trends, especially focusing on the significant changes we've seen take place over the past few years. So if you're a home buyer, this video is for you. If you're a home seller, this video is for you. And if you're just plain nosy, this video is for you. First, let's set the scene. The real estate market has been on a roller coaster ride since COVID. We've seen unprecedented changes inside the industry and outside the industry. But what's happening now in the industry is particularly interesting. The average days on market, meaning the time from when a property is listed until it goes under contract, has hockey sticked in the wrong direction. In Niceville, this number has tripled. We're now standing at over 90 days. Meanwhile, in Fort Walton Beach, the number has doubled. They're at over 60 days. This increase indicates properties are staying on the market longer, suggesting a shift in market dynamics. Any idea why there's a 30-day difference between Fort Walton and Niceville? You guessed it, average sale price. With the climb in interest rates and the average home price being lower in Fort Walton, the demand remains strong in the Fort Walton Beach market. This is why it is important that you are working with a real estate professional who understands the ins and outs of micro markets so they can direct you in the right direction as interest rates fluctuate. Compared to pre-COVID times, let's say in 2019, there has been a noticeable shift in inventory levels. Right now, we have 25% less inventory than 2019. This reduction in inventory indicates that there might be fewer options available, but the demand remains high because a lot of buyers lost out in the last couple years. Right now, we're sitting at about 4.6 months of inventory, which is higher than October of last year, but we're still a few months away from what we would call a balanced market. A balanced market is when you have an equal number of homes for sale and an equal number of buyers out there, obviously representing balance. So what does this all mean for you, potential home buyers and sellers? Well, if you're a seller, patience is the key. It is the key in an evolving market. Be prepared to do more prep work before listing and make sure that you're pricing your home correctly to sell in a short time period. And if you need a lot of work on your home, but you don't want to do any of it, you better price it accordingly to bring action, to bring buyers to your home. And if you're looking to buy right now, this increase in the days on market could mean more options and less competition with some room for negotiation. Not guaranteed, especially when a home just hits the market. As always, understanding the local market nuances is crucial, and that's where we come in. We believe a knowledgeable and informed homeowner or home buyer will put the power in your hands. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions about our market or see how our team can help you buy or sell your next home.